Step one is to go to this website. Once it loads, I'm going to save it as a favorite so that I can access all of my groups much quicker and easier in the future. Click on the star, Google Groups. You can see it's already appeared here next to my other shortcut, which is Gmail. When I click done, it will confirm that. Harry is a grade 4 student, so if I search for a group called grade 4, and I can open the group. Now, there are currently 2 messages which have been sent to grade 4, and they would appear in your inbox as well, but they also appear in this groups page. So I'm going to star that so it's now a favorite. Another way to add a group is you need to know the name of the group. The easiest way to do that is start typing an email. And Harry is a member of the Rainbow Club. So the name of the group is Rainbow Club at IS-ULM. So it's just Rainbow Club. So if I go to here, I'm currently in grade 4. If I just delete this part, and type in exactly as it was in the email, this will open up the Rainbow Club. Okay. And to make it easier for next time, I'm going to star it so it appears in my favorites. Harry obviously is worried about the environment. He's also in the Eco Council distribution list. So the name of that group is Eco Council. So I'm going to add that the same way. So I'm just going to delete Rainbow Club. It's important I leave the rest. Okay, and this is the Eco Council distribution list where all messages to Eco Council go. So I'm going to add that to Harry's favorites as well. Now, even with Harry's magic, if he tries to access a group he's not in, you see at the bottom there, he won't be able to get into that group. He will be able to send emails to that group, but he won't be able to see the messages that have been sent. Okay. He would send an email to all staff. They would get it, but he won't be able to see any messages already in there. If you go to home, okay, and you can also create a group this way. So I'm going to call it I'm just going to give it magic. Okay, so that's the easiest way to add it. Group to share spells. Create the group. Okay, group's been created. Go back to the group and I'm going to star it. Now currently there is no one in this group. Once you've done that, created your group, okay, you can direct add members. And they will automatically be added to this group. So any emails you send to Magic will go to them. If we go back to groups, Harry's Magic Club now has 2 members. If I want to post to them, Simple message. Post a message. And you can see that that message I've just said appears in my inbox. If you have different ones here, it's easy to manage groups where you get lots of emails sent.